how to use a rivet gun. You will need a rivet gun, rivets, a Sharpie, 2 pieces of aluminum flashing, a drill, and possibly some work gloves. You will need to drill holes into whatever material you are joining. Make sure the hole is large enough for the rivet head to fit through. Make sure the holes in each piece of metal line up. Put the pointed end of the rivet into the head of the rivet gun. When you're ready to combine your materials, you simply squeeze the handle of the rivet gun. Make sure the hole is large enough for the rivet head to fit through. This may take some force. You will have to squeeze the handle a few times. Simply repeat this process until your pieces of metal are joined. Thanks for watching!